I think it was because there's two different canvases and they weren't talking to each other very nicely. So adding everything to one canvas, and it seems to work a little bit better. The pause button will pull up the menu, and then basically need to wire up the X so that it moves it again. So I'm going to call this pause menu panel. And yeah, let me just wire up the X button real quick. So this is the close button. And pause menu script. A button in here called void close menu, and that basically just moves it. Game object dot. Let's get a reference to our own public rect transform. Panel rect transform equals game object dot get component rect transform. Panel rect transform dot local position equals vector whatever was 0 dot 1000 0. Here our button close menu. Alright, so the pause menu comes up, pause menu closes. Bam. Alright. Pretty cool. So we can, our pause menu is transparent right now, but let's make it, I mean, we can add any sort of image we want. UI sprite, so it's a little bit more. It's still kind of transparent. Alright, so let's go back and our pause menu, make sure we update our data. Alright, so this is world. Alright, so let's go back to our prefabs. And we're going to save the pause menu to our pause menu prefab place, and we're going to make another prefab with a pause button. Assets, create prefab, pause button, prefab, bam. Alright, so now we have those prefabs in our prefab list. And let's go to another scene. Let's go to the world scene. Let's see if we can add that prefab. So pause button prefab. We'll add to the canvas. So I'll just put it up there. Let's see if it works if you just have them on here hard-coded instead of loaded in code. So save our scene, go back to the start scene, start, pause, pause menu. These buttons are still available, so we do need to kind of black out everything underneath, but there we go, we added a pause menu to the world.